If you have a voice problem, then there's a couple things that you can do. From the server setting, you can use this. You can configure the bitrate from 64 to 96. What this do, it will increase your sound quality through the increase of the bitrate. The higher the bitrate, the clearer your voice will be. Then you go to setting. Then make sure you're using the correct microphone. For example, I have my MacBook Air microphone and I have this extra microphone, and I want to use this microphone, so I'll set it to the microphone, not by using my laptop microphone. And then you can also change this. You can also see that there's this shadow here. You can put it lower. You can put it lower, so your voice would be much more consistent. And then make sure that you are using this. If you don't want to suppress anything, if you are in a quiet room, and then you can just turn it off. And if you are using a headphone, then you can just turn this off too. And that's basically how you're able to fix your voice problem. Mostly it's because of this and this. Or if it's still not fixed, then all you have to do next is to get a new microphone that sounds well.